Okay, lastly, let's talk about the distributive property. So take a look at this problem. It looks kind of nasty to begin with. But if I take apart this mixed number and I actually make it 7 times, because this is a positive 3 2/7, that would be a 3 plus 2/7. Now I can use my distributive property because it's 7 times everything that's inside here. And I'm going to get 7 times 3 plus 7 times 2/7, which this right here is going to be much easier because 7 and 7 cancel each other out. So 7/1 times 2/7, I can cross reduce. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. I bring down my 7 times 3 plus, and 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. So this all right here is 2. Order of operations says to do multiplication first. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2. Our answer is 23. Much easier than trying to figure this out without splitting it apart. We can also use the distributive property and work backwards. I notice I have 5 times 4 plus 5 times negative 2/3. That 5 is being shared. So like up here where we distributed the 7, here we're going to take it out. And then we end up with 5 times 1/4 plus negative 2/3. Okay, and even though these fractions have unlike denominators, we can easily do them because they're very workable numbers. They're very friendly numbers. So order of operations says to do that first. Like denominator would be 12. Well, 4 times 3 is 12, so 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12, so negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And now we can add those. 5 times denominator stays the same, and we have 3 plus negative 8. We really subtract those. They have different signs. So it's going to be 8 minus 3. And it's going to be a negative 5 because the negative 8 has a bigger absolute value. And now I can multiply. Make that a fraction. Multiply straight across. I could look for ways to cross reduce. 1 and negative 5 can't do it. No common factor. 5 and 12 can't do it. No common factor. So I'm just going to multiply straight across. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. 1 times 12 is 12. You could leave it like an improper fraction, but if you like mixed numbers, you could do that as well. And you know that 12 goes into 25 twice because 12 times 2 is 24. And you're going to have that negative 1 left over.